If you are needing to build your gang sheet, simply click on Create Gang Sheet to get started. Choose your sheet size and upload your art files. Make sure your files are high resolution. Please see our artwork guidelines for more information. You can use our customized tools to copy, paste, and resize your designs. You can also use our clip art or templates, which can be customized. Simply click on Add Design and choose Stock Design. There are many templates to choose from. You can customize the templates to your liking. We also offer a text tool to insert any text you need. You can choose from many stock fonts and customize the colors. Once you are happy with your layout, configure your order and leave us any important notes. Then add to your cart. Thank you for choosing UPress Direct to Film. Happy pressing!